Hello students, in this class we will see LBA linear pair of linear equation in two variables. Second main question, that is also 1 marks questions. We have seen MCQ in the last class. 1 marks, one liner maybe it is in the second main. Let's see, 17th one. Write the standard form of linear equation with the variables x and y. Variables x and y. Pair of linear equation, you know that. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is 0. That's it. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation two variable have if they are inconsistent? If lines are inconsistent, they are parallel lines. Means no solution. You say no solution. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations have if first two ratios not equal? Means exactly one solution or unique solution. You can say anything. Exactly one solution. Please remember this table, very important. They just gave this one, right? See this. If the pair of linear equation are having this condition, means they will have unique solution or exactly one solution or intersecting line. Anything can be asked as a question here. Okay, we'll see. 20th. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation two variable if they are represent coincident? Coincident means infinitely many solutions because lines overlap on one another. Infinitely many. Then 21. The perimeter of a rectangle of length L unit and breadth B unit is 32 meter. Form the equation for this statement. You should know converting statement to expression. That is, perimeter is 2 of L plus B equal to 32 meter. That's enough. Or you can also do 2 1 ja 2 16 ja 32 L plus B equal to 16 meter. This is a fine. 22, it's important. The number of boys X, the boys is represented as X, is one more than number of twice the number of girls. Girls is represented by Y. Form an equation for this. Means number of boys is twice the number of girls plus 1. This is the equation. Okay, remember. 23. If the lines are given by these two statements are coincident, find A and B. For coincident line, we know A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. You write that. For coincident lines like that. Then you get the ratios and find the unknowns. A1 by A2 means 1 by A, B1 by B2 means 2 by B, C1 by C2 means minus 4 by minus 12. Okay. So equating, don't equate first to two. Always equate having one variable and one complete values, that is 1 and 3. So this becomes what? 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, that is 1 by 3 at least. Minus cancels, right? So what is A here? On comparing the first and third, A becomes 3. What is B here? B becomes 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. For perimeter of triangle, L2 of L plus B is 32. You can write, but make sure you cancel 2 and 32. You get L plus B is 16. Next, 24. If the lines are represented by these two equations and parallel they have given. So you write for parallel lines, what are the conditions? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Get the values and find the unknowns. A1 is what? 4. A2 is 4. B1 is P. C2 is, B2 is 4. C1 is 8 and 2. So 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 8 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So P becomes how much? You equate any two ratios, you get the same value. 4 into 1 is 4. So you get P is 4 here, first equation. If you equate second one, you get how much? P is 16. So it can be anything. First one, right? Okay. P is 4 and if you equate the last two, second and third, 4 into 4, 16. So P not equal to 16. So what is the value of P means? You have to say therefore P equal to 4 is the required answer. Let's see the 25th. How many solutions does these have? How many solutions does this have means you have to get the equation first. A1 by A2 equal to what? 1 by 3. B1 by B2 equal to what? 2 by 2 means 1. C1 by C2 equal to minus 4 by minus 5, that is 4 by 5. Here clearly we get A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, right? 1 by 3 not equal to 1. Therefore, exactly one solution. Pair of linear equation have exactly one solution. Okay. We'll move to the next one, 26th one. How many solutions does these have? Again find the ratios. A1 by A2 equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equal to minus 9 by minus 18, that is 1 by 2. When all ratios are equal, they are coincident lines. Therefore, infinitely many solutions. Remember, infinitely many solutions. You write infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. 27th. How many solutions? Okay. Just check out. How many solutions does the pair of linear equations in two variables have if the lines are intersecting? If the lines are intersecting means they will have only one solution. Exactly one solution or unique solution you can write. Exactly one solution or unique solution. Anything you can write. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation have? Again, you get the ratios and compare. So A1 by A2 is what? 2 by 3. B1 by B2 is what? Minus 3 by 5. Both are not equal. We'll say A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, exactly one solution. 28. 29th. How many solutions again? So get A1 by A2. 2 by 3. B1 by B2. 3 by minus 3 by 2 because minus 2 will come. So I took in the numerator. Clearly we get A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, right? When the first two ratios itself not equal, then they will have exactly one solution because they are intersecting lines. So you say exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. Okay. So we'll see the next remaining questions in the next class. Thank you.